Have you ever looked at a Siamese cat and noticed something a little off? Maybe their eyes don't quite line up perfectly. That's right, many Siamese cats are cross-eyed, and it's not just a quirky personality trait. Today, we're uncovering the science, history, and myths behind this fascinating feline feature. By the end of this video, you'll know why some Siamese cats have that adorable, slightly mischievous cross-eyed look and why it doesn't necessarily affect their lives at all. Before we dive into biology, let's clear something up. Not all Siamese cats are cross-eyed, but it is common enough to be noticeable. The reason for this unique trait is actually rooted in genetics and their eye pigmentation. Here's how it works. Siamese cats have a temperature-sensitive gene that controls both their coat coloration and eye color. This same gene can sometimes affect the development of the optic nerve, which is the nerve that connects the eyes to the brain. When the optic nerve doesn't align perfectly, the cat may appear cross-eyed. Scientists call this condition strabismus, and in Siamese cats, it's usually harmless. Siamese cats have stunning blue eyes, which are a result of a lack of pigment in the iris. But here's the fascinating part. The same pigment genes that give them their blue eyes can miswire the brain's visual pathways. Essentially, the brain has to interpret signals from both eyes, and sometimes those signals don't line up perfectly, causing the cross-eyed effect. Think of it like a TV with slightly misaligned channels. Your brain still sees the picture, but the wiring is a little funny. Interestingly, the cross-eyed trait has been documented for centuries. Ancient Siamese cats in Thailand were sometimes prized for their striking appearance, and cross-eyed cats were considered cute and unique rather than flawed. In fact, breeders historically didn't mind the cross-eyed look because it was part of the charm of the breed. Some even believe that cross-eyed cats had a kind of mystical vision, able to see things others couldn't. So the trait is not just genetic, it's woven into the history and mystique of the breed. Here's the good news. Most cross-eyed Siamese cats live perfectly normal lives. They may need a little more time to judge distances, but their playful, curious personalities aren't affected. Some owners even say the cross-eyed look makes them extra adorable and memorable. However, it's worth noting that if a cat's eyes suddenly appear crossed later in life, this could indicate a health problem, and a vet should check it out. Did you know there are different degrees of cross-eyedness in Siamese cats? Some are only slightly cross-eyed, barely noticeable. Others are more pronounced, giving them a quirky and mischievous expression that many cat lovers adore. And the best part is, it's harmless in most cases and part of what makes the Siamese breed so unique. Next time you see a cross-eyed Siamese cat, remember you're not looking at a defect, you're looking at a genetic marvel, a piece of living history, and a feline with a personality that's twice as charming as their eyes suggest. If you learned something new today, hit like, comment if your Siamese is cross-eyed, and subscribe for more amazing cat mysteries.